Hi guys, in this video I will show you 3 mobile apps that you can make real money. The reason that I put only 3 apps is because I chose the apps carefully. I only added the apps that I trust. I even withdrew my money. So without further ado, let's see our mobile apps. Now our first app is WhatsApp. By the way, if you're wondering why I'm recording like this, is because I don't have any storage left on my phone and I can screen record, so I have to record like this. So if you go to the earnings, you can see that I got 0.10 WhatsApp coins, and from here you can see that 10 WoW coins is worth $1. So if you're gonna do the math, you can see basically I got 0.10 coins just by watching a video which I can watch again right now. So I think it's easy to do. And you can also have cashback, like if you're gonna buy something from Amazon or from eBay or from different sources, you can code the cashback and see, you can AliExpress, Banggood, and basically if you buy something from there, you will get money back. You will save some money, or you can make money by playing games, making calls. You can make money by different things. Now here it says invite a friend. Now, I'm not really sure how much it pays you or even if it pays you for inviting people, but I believe that it does. I believe it pays you for inviting people, but I don't know how much. Now, if you think that I got that much just by watching a video, you can make pretty good money. Like you can watch 3 videos and you have to wait, I think 15 minutes or 20 minutes to watch another. And you can have some service here. Of course you can get rich from this or you can make a living from this, but still I think you can make pretty good money. Like you can see it as a side hustle. Like you can make a few bucks, like $10, $20 maybe. It's not bad. Now let's see our next app. The second app is Sweatcoin. Sweatcoin is an app that pays you money for your steps. You can basically make money by walking. I did, and I'm gonna tell you how in a minute. So if you open the app and go to the bottom left corner, you will see a store page. On this store, you can buy stuff. You can buy membership, you can buy products. Basically, you can spend your sweat coins. And how the app works is quite simple. Basically, you open the app, you let it run in the background, and you start walking. The app will convert your steps into sweat coins. Now, let's see how I made money. When I made a video about Sweatcoin on my other YouTube channel, I invited people. But I had no idea about this. I basically invited the people because it says that it gives you 5 sweat coins per person. And I was collecting sweat coins to cash that out, because on the store section, not every time, but sometimes you can see PayPal options or bank account options, cash options, and you can just simply withdraw your money from there. But at the time, there isn't any. I don't know when you're watching this video, you might have. But when I invited 20 people, I saw a section called Influencer Hub. Basically, I became influencer. And in that section, it said that if I invited 90 people, I would make $25. I didn't do anything else. I just hope that 90 people signed up with my link. At the time, I only had 20, but it was growing fast. And when I reached 90 people, I withdrew my money. And I withdrew it with PayPal. If you want, there's also a bank account option. Now, I want to talk about something fun. So once I saw a giveaway in the app and I joined it. And I didn't know when the giveaway was going to end, and I was at school. And I got an email saying that I won the giveaway. I was happy, and I opened the email and I saw that I won $100. As money. And as you can guess, I was happy, and basically I made $175 from Sweatcoin. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I made $175 just by inviting people and with the giveaway. I didn't make any money with steps yet. So if you're saying that you can invite 90 people, why not just download the app, invite 90 people, and you will make $25. By the way, the links of those applications are in the description, and the links are affiliates or referrals. Basically, if you sign up to those apps with my link in the description, you will support me. Of course, I'm not forcing you to do that. If you want, you can just simply go to Google Play or to App Store, search the app and download it. Now, the last and the third app is Dosh. Essentially, Dosh is a cashback app. Like if you're already buying stuff from Walmart, from Dunkin', from eBay, or you're using DoorDash or Uber, you can save money every time that you spend money. You get your cash back. It's not exactly a mobile app that you can work and make money, but it's a mobile app that you can make money by saving your own money. Like if you're gonna buy something anyways, why not do it with Dosh? At least this way you can save some money, you can make some extra money by spending money. I think that's something quite important. Also, if you invite people to use Dosh with your link, you will make even more money. Basically, that was it for today's video. But if you're saying that you don't want to use these apps, if you're saying that you want to have fun and make money at the same time, like if you want to make money by playing video games, I suggest you to watch this video here. In this video here, I play Thetan Arena and try to make money, and you can play Thetan Arena both on your computer and on your mobile device. So, I see you again in that video. Bye bye.